Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your day is going wonderful. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I get to share with you the Spellbinders card kit of the month, if I can talk, for October 2021. It's called You Are Stellar, and we're going to take a look at everything in the kit. I have to apologize for my microphone and for my editing. Oh my goodness, I've had a few computer issues and I'm dealing with what I have. So bear with me please with the audio and also with the editing. I have to learn a brand new editing software system and it may take me a little bit of time. This is your content sheet. We're going to go over everything in the kit, and then following this video I will be creating 10 cards. So a nice little inspirational guide here. Next we're going to take a look at our cardstock. You get 8 sheets of colored cardstock and then 1 sheet of specialty cardstock. If you guys haven't tried the silver or the gold mirror cardstock from Spellbinders, you will love it. It's double-sided and it die cuts beautifully, guys. So you get 1 sheet of that, and then you get a white, a yellow. All of these are 8.5 by 11 sheets, guys. You get 2 shades of purple, a light and a dark, 2 shades of blue, and then also 2 shades of pink. So you have a beautiful color palette, and I'm excited about this color palette. I just think it's so pretty. Next you get your 10 card bases and your 10 envelopes. They're A2 in size. The envelopes have a long V flap and they're the lick and stick kind. And your envelopes or your card bases will fit in there beautifully. Your card bases are side folding. They're 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches, and they do have a little bit of texture, and there is a little bit of color variant between the envelope and your card base, which I don't mind because for the most part, I'll cover my card bases with pattern paper. And speaking of pattern paper, we're going to take some scissors and cut off the top of our plastic bag here. This is how I store my paper, so I can tuck some leftover pieces of pattern paper inside when I'm done. But you get 40 sheets and you get 2 of each pattern and some beautiful prints. Although this You Are Stellar card kit, you might think it's astrology based, but there's lots of elements in here that has some gold foiling. That's so pretty. But they have some elements in here that are outside of the astrology also. I'm not really into astrology, so I'm going to try and create my 10 cards that are not astrology themed, to give a little bit of a variety when creating with the kit. But 40 sheets of pattern paper, 2 of each pattern, and again, some of these have gold accent to them. I love two-tones, and this floral pattern is just so pretty, and love this one too. This has some really pretty gold accents on that dark starry sky. Really pretty. But that is your 6x6 You Are Stellar paper pad. We'll put this back. Next, we're going to take a look at our stamp set. Our stamp set this month has some fun sentiments in here for every day, and you can kind of customize them. You have sparkle, shine, and secondary sentiments that can go with it. You have a thank you sentiment, and then there's some beautiful images in there to create a nice little imagery for your cards. Next, we are going to take a look at this package. This is a really thick package. I know it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but I thought it was a book at first. But there are 4 sticker sheets in here, and there's lots and lots of elements to this. You get the full astrology line of all the signs there. You get banners and sentiments, florals and accent pieces. You get, and there's some gold detail in here too, guys. Sentiment strips are always nice. I like those. You even get some blank sentiment blocks to where you can stamp in, and then larger sentiments here along with some hearts and stars, and these are on the thicker side too. They're not chipboard, definitely not chipboard, but they are thicker stickers, which are nice, and they have a very matte finish, guys. So it's not a shiny finish sticker, it's a matte. But you get 4 sheets. So lots and lots of elements, and they all coordinate perfectly with your pattern paper too. We'll put this back, and next, let's see what else we're going to take a look at here. I was going to grab my card to look at the die cuts, but I think we're going to take a look at these enamel stickers. These are so shiny. These have all of the signs on there for your astrology. all those larger circles, but there are some smaller accents, enamel dots that you can use to embellish your cards. Just love the way these look. So, and they are raised too, so they're really pretty actually. Okay, and then you also get one more sticker pack. You get some Puffy Sentiment. Okay, these aren't really Puffy Sentiments. Let me take that back. These are they're dimensional, definitely, and when you add them to your project, the nice thing about these is Puffy stickers sometimes lose their shape. These won't. These will keep their shape. But you get block letters, scripty letters, and lots of star accents for your project. So you get a full sheet of those. Now we're going to take a look at our die cut pack. We'll take our card base and open it up here. Now I always speed this up, but you get 2 of each pattern. And again, that you can mix and match your sentiments with florals. And yeah, while I go through this, I'll just tell you a little bit. My computer actually started wigging out. I think I overused it. I've had it for a very long time. And so I didn't save anything on my computer, which was my fault. But so I have to go search for all my imagery, my front of the video, the back of the video, and so this is what, and my audio microphone worked really well on my last computer. The new one that I have, it's not a new computer. It's one of my second computers that I used for work when we had the bakery. But this one, the audio's not that good. I think I need a better microphone. I don't. You guys have to tell me. But that is my computer story, and that is the die cut pack. You can see there's lots of imagery to create some beautiful projects. Now these are, you get your tape, double-sided tape, foam tape. You get your sequins. They have an iridescent hint to them, and then you get your dies. 3 dies are in this shape. The middle one is dot dash detail. It doesn't cut. It just gives you detailed dot and dashes. We'll die cut it out to show you what it looks like. And then you also get this right here. Looks kind of funny, but it says shine on. You also get a moon that you can create a full moon or a crescent. And then you get 2 sets of stars, a small and I would say a medium set. So I'm going to put all of this aside, and then I will trim down some paper and we'll do a little bit of die cutting so I can show you what the dies look like. I like doing this during my unboxing just so you guys can see. So I have some dark blue cardstock. I have the dot dash detail piece in my frame there. And then we'll die cut this out with our darker blue cardstock. I'm just making sure it's even, and I'll tape this down. I'm going to die cut out our sentiment that says shine on and our 2 sets of stars, and then I'll bring in some light purple cardstock and some yellow cardstock. The yellow will die cut out the moon, tape this down, and then the purple will die cut out our starry background panel here. Now once everything is die cut, I'm just punching out my shine on. At first I didn't know what the sentiment said, but for it being that compact of a die, your sentiment's pretty much on the larger side. You can see how it spells out beautifully in the nice font, shine on. And so the S and the H are separate. The I and E are attached, along with the dot on the I is attached, which is really nice because I always lose those. And then this is your panel that you can go on top of your dot and dash detailed frame in the background. It has some dots and some small stars in there. I'm going to actually pop this up and put it on my background panel. I went ahead and added shine on along with the stars. And that is a cute little background. Now to create a full moon, it's easy. You can just glue down the crescent to the other circle piece to create a full moon, or you could pop it up for a little bit of dimension like I'm doing here. Kind of offset it, and that is your full moon. Pretty easy peasy, huh? I like dual purpose. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my little panel, and then I got to adjust my little stars here. I've got to scoot these over, and then we'll just glue down our moon to our little panel, and then that is the dies this month and the You Are Stellar card kit for for October 2021 from Spellbinders. So following this video is my 10 card. If you guys want to check it out, head on over there. I'll link it on the very bottom square. And also, if you guys want to see still shots, head on over to my blog. I list my card projects individually over there as well. But thank you so much for stopping by, guys. Have a fabulous day. We will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.